So, some of you may be wondering why I have my Sonic plush today. It's because a new Sonic video game was announced. It's not main canon, it's a spin-off, but it's still a platformer. It'll be called Sonic Boom. So, that name may sound familiar to you guys. Some of you may be asking, wait a second. No, Sammy, that's going to be a cartoon, not a video game. Well, yes and no. They're making a video game based off a cartoon. In other words, they're going down the Namco route. Pac-Man the Ghostly Adventures. And the Pac-Man the Ghostly Adventures video game, it was mediocre. And the show is nothing special either, but, the Sonic Boom cartoon, from what I've seen so far, is pretty good. I just watched the trailer. In fact, you guys can watch it right now if you'd like.
You can't lose me, Egghead!
Eggman! You know my name is Dr. Eggman! You do that on purpose!
Do what, Egghead? Whoa!
It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be destroyed by Burnbot!
So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
Flamethrower? No.
Oh, acid? Incendiary grenades?
No. The claws! Yes, claws! Very painful claws!
Well, then you should have called him Clawbot, or Delacerator, or Pinchatron 9000, but Burnbot. That's just false advertising.
I named the robot Sonic! Burnbot, attack!
Blue Leader, this is Yellow Sky. I have eyes on Burnbot. He's on the move. Over.
Thanks, Tails. Initiate speeding swing surprise.
Get up!
Bail, Tails, bail! Tails, no!
Alright, so now that you saw the trailer for the Sonic Boom cartoon, it was pretty amazing, wasn't it? The animation was very good. The redesigns, I'm not the biggest fan of the redesigns, but Sonic, Tails, Robotnik's, Amy's redesigns look much better than Knuckles, miles better. Is there really a need to make Knuckles that muscular? But, you know what, I'm getting off topic here. So, the Sonic Boom video game. Alright, so, before I show you guys the trailer, I have to say, the cartoon looks better than the video game, in my opinion. I'm not saying the video game looks bad. I don't know. I'll just show you guys the trailer for the game really quick.
What exactly is this place?
This is paradise.
Check this out. A secret room.
Warp speed! Make way!
Alright, so now that you guys checked that out, so my impressions on the video game, I don't know what to say about it. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I like how there will be multiple playable characters, cooperative multiplayer. There will be more exploration based, which is really what we need out of a Sonic game. But I don't know. I get this is a spin-off and all, and it's being made by different developers, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, it looks somewhat flawed. I mean, the controls, as in, you know, the physics, and then the animations and the models look a bit off. Knuckles again. And, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, it definitely doesn't look as good as Sonic Colors, Sonic Generations, Sonic 4, Sonic Lost World. Just in my opinion. I mean, I have to say, the Sonic fan base are having mixed reactions about this game. Some are saying, wow, this looks amazing. And some are saying, this looks terrible. And you know, I'm kind of in between. I mean, my opinions on the game are mixed. I mean, I'm sort of concerned for it, but at the same time, I think it still has a chance to be considered good. But then again, Sonic Lost World did get somewhat negative reception. But overall, the video game for Sonic Boom, I have mixed opinions on it, but the cartoon, the cartoon looks awesome, Sega, really good job. And they even got the voice actors from the video games. That's definitely a thumbs up. And of course they didn't change Sonic's character too much like they did in Pac-Man The Ghostly Adventures. But overall, I'm excited for the cartoon, and as for the video game, I'm slightly concerned for it, but at the same time, I will be getting it. I'm excited to get it. And I'm not sure whether or not I'll pre-order it, because to be honest, I'm not as excited for this Sonic game in particular, but I'll definitely buy it. Actually, scratch that. Maybe I'll pre-order it, because I'm a Sonic fan, of course. And I have to say, the thing that I'm most excited for the video game is playing as different characters. Because, I mean, when was the last time that we were able to do that in a Sonic platformer? No, Sonic 4 Episode 2 does not count. You can only play as Tails in multiplayer mode. And you can never play as him without Sonic by your side. But anyways, that's all.